Graysilk, solutions for life.
Consumers have questions. You want a bike, for example. Unless you know a lot about bikes, this might be all you know. There are many kinds of bikes, many models and features, at every price point. There are many places and even different ways to buy a bike. You first have to figure out what's important. What should I be concerned with? Then figure out the correct response. What are the types of bikes? What features do they have? What's relevant to me? We love the web, but for this kind of thing, available resources are awful. There's a lot of information, it may or may not be relevant or accurate, and it's all focused on bikes. None of it is specific to you because general advice doesn't care who you are. You can eventually figure out what you need, but it's probably not ideal, and you've wasted a lot of your time. Our favorite advice from the web: the best choice for you depends on your needs. Thank you, World Wide Web. Graysilk is fundamentally different. It asks a few questions, whatever is relevant, and considers your answers along with other information. It knows about bikes and it may already know things about you, so it may not have to ask you much. It then figures out, nearly instantaneously, the best bike for you, reflecting everything it knows. This includes details like, for example, for long rides including extra water bottles and making sure there are proper ways to mount them on the bike, including whatever adapters might be necessary. Or proper matching pedals if you already own bike shoes. Everything. The selection and comparison shopping are complete. This is the bike. This is the stuff you need. In 3 minutes, start to finish, you're done. Cars, real estate, ski vacations, Graysilk can do this for just about everything. There are 3 primary parties. Authors create special little applications called experts. Experts represent what they know. On Graysilk.com, you run the bike expert, answer a few questions, and get the solution. You purchase the specified items from the specified providers. You send the provider money, they provide the goods and services. Let's say this totals $1,000. Subsequently, the provider sends Graysilk a commission, perhaps 6%, comparable to fees charged by Amazon and eBay. Graysilk shares a portion of this commission, approximately 40%, with the author and other members of the community to fully incentivize them. Authors can make a living through Graysilk, just as many do through selling on eBay. Graysilk retains the remaining percentage of this commission. There are other revenue streams, including advertising and the sale of market research data. The efficiency of this model results in very high net profit, approximately 50%. Break-even is achieved even with pessimistic assumptions. With conservative assumptions, huge numbers result relatively quickly.